In this video, you'll learn how to create step-by-step guides using Kimi AI. This tutorial will walk you through the process from start to finish, ensuring you understand each step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Kimi AI website, open your preferred web browser, and enter the URL for Kimi AI. Once the page loads, you should see the main interface, which features a chat window where you can interact with the AI. Next, type in your request for the guide. For example, you can enter a prompt like create a step-by-step in becoming a leader. After you have entered your prompt, review it to ensure it accurately reflects what you want to achieve. Clarity in your request will help the AI generate a more useful guide. Once your prompt is ready, click on the Enter button to submit your request. This button is typically found on the right side of the chat input area. After clicking, you will notice a brief loading indicator or animation indicating that Kimi AI is processing your request. After a few moments, the AI will generate the step-by-step guide based on your prompt. This may take some time, especially if your input is complex. Be patient and wait for the results to appear in the chat window. You will know the process is complete when the guide is fully displayed, allowing you to review the information provided. Finally, you can utilize the generated steps to create your own comprehensive guide. If needed, you can refine or edit the steps to better suit your needs. Remember that the quality of the output may vary depending on the specificity of your original prompt. If you require adjustments, simply repeat the process with a more focused request. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.